All right, I'm going to show what we did tonight, which is basically a sickle sweep. Most importantly, the pass from the sickle sweep if you land in combat phase, right? So, right here, okay, I don't care how I set up my sickle sweep, right? Usually I start by getting a hook on the inside of the knee, and you see I have two grips on the sleeves. I pull myself in, right? From here, okay, and I come up. Right, so what's important here is my arm. It's on the outside of my knee, right? And then I start to put pressure on this knee as this knee comes to the ground. Now notice how, as I keep the pressure down, this knee's on the ground. This leg here flares his leg. Just kind of straighten it out as I go get my head control. So I have my head control, I still keep this pressure here, right? And put my head across body to his head. And now this leg here starts the transition, here, and get the side control. And we'll do that one more time. Go as slow and as detailed as possible. So I'm here, okay, yeah, boom, 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 I'm here. I got my foot inside the crevice of the knee, I pull myself in. This leg comes down, crunches the Achilles. As this cross bodies to his hip, I push, pull, land into combat base right away. Pressure, knee flares to the ground, straighten his leg. Yeah, it doesn't feel comfortable, right? As this swivels to his head, keeping the pressure here. My head goes cross body to his head, right? This leg here swivels here, and I get the side control. Notice when I do that transition, I do not leave any space. So I can go here and come here, start to do whatever I want, right? All right.